Hi ladies, it's Ali here, and I thought I would just do a quick updo. So what I've done is I've washed my hair, I put some mousse on it and I've dried it, and then I just curling tongued it just a little bit, just to give it a bit of a base. So what I would do first is just give it a rough back comb. Just at the roots. You don't really want to do the ends because you don't want to, I think if you back comb the ends you can actually split the ends. Now you could use a comb and comb your roots that way, or you could use a brush which could be slightly more gentle if you just want a quick puff up. Now and that's one section. And then we do the next section. So if you can get a crocodile clip, they're always very useful. Again, I would just back comb and then the back part. And then just on the last part, I would just do the crown. Now, if you do have very fine hair, you probably want to back comb perhaps a little bit more. And the other advice I would give is to, in between back combing, is to put some hairspray in there, just on the roots. So for instance, if I have fine hair, or even hair which tends to slide out, be very good condition, and sometimes that can be just as bad. And so I would actually use some hairspray, this is from Kendra, and just do the roots. If you did that on each section, it would really give you a good base. So if you've got fine hair again, it would hold it in. If you've got thick, shiny hair, it would give you literally a bit of badness, which you probably need in the hair to keep it up and keep it in better. So that's my back combing. Mad, crazy lady. So now what we need to do is put our hair up. So I would leave these pits here and the top, and I'm going to go quite high, almost up to the crown. You can see that? So just section, and again section there. So we take that part, and just twist it around and put in another crocodile clip, and then if you can comb this bit. But when you comb, make sure you don't comb right at the roots, because we don't want to, get rid of all that lovely back comb for our base. So if you comb that. Now if you can get a hairband, I'm going to put it up quite high, up there. Now what you could do with this, you could obviously take it like this and you could twist it around and make a nice little bun like that, or you can take different sections, which I would do. So take a section, I would just curl it like that, and then you can get one of your curby grips. Again, if you can get as close to your own colour as possible, that would be great. And then just perhaps clip it kind of close to where you are there. Just do it in 4 sections. Now if you hear a dog, there you go, on cue, crying, my dog's at the other end of the other side of the door, and it's dinner time. A bit like children, constantly wanting food and treats. And then so we've done 2 sections, I'll do one more here. Again, I would just almost twist it around and then just put it in the hair. Don't need to, don't have to be too, it doesn't have to be too neat. There you go, another one there. Twist this around and then get your clip. Right, so we're all kind of semi-curled there at the moment. Now, I've got two options. Well, I could plait it and then come all the way down here. I could twist it, or I could just do it straight back. I think today I'm quite in the mood for a twist. So what I would do is I'd leave this top part here. And so I always wear my hair to size, so I'm going to do it from that side. And then I'll just take, before I do that last bit, a little bit of balm. Either this is Percy Reed's Wonder Balm, but you can use something like argan oil. He's not stopping. Right, so I would start from the top part, and then if you can just gently twist it. Can you see? Twist it all the way around. And then if you can work it in to the top part of where you've just done your little, from your ponytail. So to get another hair clip. Hair clip there. Right. I mean, you could tease this out if you wanted it to not be so loose, you know, so tight. You can make it loose. I think that's quite good. Now, you don't have to have extremely long hair for this. Obviously, long hair is great. But if you've got shorter hair, you can just, with a twist, you can get it quite tight, actually. So it doesn't have to be too long. So again with this. And then just a tiny bit of the balm. And smidge. Don't need very much. So there. Now, I'm going to start twisting again. So start from the top. You can almost go by feel. Actually twisting the hair actually kind of locks it in place, so you know it's not going to slide out so much. And then what we do is then get another hair clip, and just put it in there. I think it's in there. It's hard to tell when you're not looking in the back mirror. Don't see any other little bits. I can just tie in there. It's just nice when it's so warm, it's getting warmer, that to have it all off your face and not on your neck as well. Am I going to twist this or not? I probably won't on this part. Maybe a little bit on there. I don't want a big twist, I want to keep it quite soft. So we just push it down and just let it soften. There you go. Then I would take another hairband, another hair Kirby grip. That's the one. And then put it in just around there. Dig them in there. So I've got some spiky bits, I've got some all sorts of bits. That's nice and it's off. But because we've back combed it, it's given a bit of body, and then we can manipulate that. You can have it as bouffant as you like, or as tight, as close to the head as you like. But it's always good to get a bit of body in, because you can always flatten it down. And then just a little bit of hairspray. There you go. And that's my very quick and simple, easy kind of rough do, literally rough do. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was quite fun making, and please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.